Arkime Overview. OpenSearch dashboards allows you to start at the high-level overview and then dig down to help find the needle in the haystack. But what if you want to dig in even deeper, exploring a finer-grained view of network packets themselves? This ability and other unique visualizations of network traffic are among the strengths Arkime brings to the Malcolm toolset.
Arkime is the second of two graphical user interfaces for network traffic analysis in Malcolm. Arkime is a large-scale, open-source, index packet capture and search tool. Unlike dashboards, which only visualizes data from Zeek and Suricata, Arkime can be used to view traffic metadata generated by all three of Malcolm's network log data sources: Zeek, Suricata, and Arkime itself.
Let's explore four main views within Arkime. 1. Sessions. Similar to dashboards, Arkime queries network data using a search time range. A map displayed to the right of the date and time histogram displays the geo-IP locations of the IP addresses associated with the sessions. Aside from time-based and location-based filters, search queries in Arkime can be built interactively by clicking on field values in the UI to include or exclude those values from the current search, or by using a more advanced query syntax. The term session refers to a connection of one device to another on a specific port. The sessions view works at an event-level granularity. Because logs from Zeek, Suricata, and Arkime can be viewed together in a single interface, correlating between them becomes easier. For example, if you've been using dashboards to identify a potential exploit, you could pivot to the Arkime sessions view to see the Zeek logs, Suricata alerts, and Arkime sessions pertaining to that event. One big difference between Arkime and dashboards is the ability to access the full packet payload, including inline access to images and files comprising sessions, and not just the metadata from session headers. This Wireshark-like ability to view packet contents in the context of summarized network traffic is one of Arkime's biggest values for network forensics analysts. A PCAP file containing the packets of all sessions matching the current search filters may be downloaded, which is easier than using external utilities to carve a relevant PCAP from a larger file set. For those familiar with Wireshark, it is in this way that Arkime is something like a Wireshark at scale. While Wireshark does not scale well with large data sets, Arkime allows filtering, viewing, and searching of packet payloads. Arkime also allows exporting targeted PCAP files for analysis and third-party tools.
2. Spy View. In addition to the fine-grained view which Sessions provides, Arkime has other useful visualizations for characterizing network data. The next view in Arkime is Spy View. The SPI in Spy View and Spy Graph stands for Session Profile Information. Spy View features the top talkers for all of Malcolm's 3,500-plus fields across dozens of protocols. Each Zeek log, Suricata alert, and Arkime session may be made up of many fields, such as destination IP address, application protocol, source IP address, and more. Spy View is a way to examine a breakdown of the values for any given field sorted from most to least common. In this sample dataset, the breakdown of the protocol field shows that there is a lot of backnet traffic and very few sessions using the Jabber protocol. Similar to dashboards, if you find something you're interested in, you can click on that item to add it to your filters. The values for each field may also be exported to a list for inclusion in spreadsheets or reports.
3. Spy Graph. Spy Graph provides a powerful visualization of Malcolm's network data broken out by value over time and geographic location. Spy Graph can help analysts recognize patterns and anomalies in mixed data. For example, looking at HTTP user agents, the fingerprint that identifies a web client, observed in this 2-day period, someone used Firefox quite a bit for one session, after which that browser was not observed. Compare that to the behavior of the Internet Explorer 9 user agent, which initiated exactly 4 sessions at regular 3-minute intervals. Repetitive regularity like this would suggest this is program behavior, perhaps something as routine as a script checking for product updates or something malicious like beaconing from a compromised network device in a botnet.
4. Connections. Another visualization tool within Arkime is the Connections tab. Connections helps analysts graphically visualize the relationships between any two fields observed in network traffic, such as source IP to destination IP, username to related hosts, user to service. Connections presents a force-directed graph with which analysts can explore millions of combinations, illustrating relationships between Malcolm's data fields.
Why use Arkime? Arkime enables the user to drill deeper into the data, down to the packet payload level if needed. There are also unique visualization tools within Arkime. Arkime can be used independently or in conjunction with dashboards. One common Malcolm workflow is to start in dashboards to get the big picture overview, and then delve deeper into session details with Arkime. Notice that from the dashboard's navigation pane, you can easily navigate to Arkime. If you're in Arkime and want to navigate to dashboards, simply click the dashboards link in the page footer.
Comparing the two, Dashboard's interface is a little more intuitive to a wider audience and is great for exploratory or high-level analysis. The interface for Arkime can be a little difficult for individuals new to network traffic analysis. Where Arkime really shines is in its powerful ability to drill down to the packet level and view data beyond the header-only metadata visible in dashboards. Arkime also features unique network traffic visualizations.
Combined, these capabilities make dashboards and Arkime complementary tools in the Malcolm toolbox.